Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Movie Camera Emoji. Today, we're checking out one of the hottest new 4K TVs of 2025, the Samsung 58-inch Crystal UHD U8000F Smart TV. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the link in the description below to check current pricing and availability. Samsung deals don't last long, and you might catch a solid discount. Television emoji. First look, MetalStream design equals modern and minimal. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and modern this TV looks. The MetalStream design gives it a super slim profile with almost no bezels. It looks fantastic whether you're mounting it on the wall or using a stand, definitely gives off premium vibes. Left magnifying glass emoji, picture quality, crystal clear 4K performance. Thanks to the Crystal processor 4K, everything looks sharper, more vibrant, and smoother. Whether you're streaming your favorite show, watching sports, or gaming, the upscaling is top tier. Even non-4K content looks clean and detailed. Color accuracy is solid, contrast is deep, and brightness levels are great, even in well-lit rooms. You're getting a seriously immersive experience for the price. Satellite antenna emoji, endless content plus smart features. Samsung's Smart Hub is loaded with endless free content, including Samsung TV Plus with 100+ live channels and thousands of on-demand shows and movies. No subscription needed. You also get access to all the major streaming apps, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, YouTube, and more, right out of the box. High volume emoji, built-in Alexa and smart control. Controlling this TV is super convenient with Alexa built-in. You can change channels, adjust volume, search for shows, or even control smart home devices, all with your voice. No need for an extra Echo device. It also supports AirPlay 2, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings, so it fits right into any smart home setup. Closed lock with key emoji, Knox security equals peace of mind. One underrated feature? Samsung Knox security, the same tech they use in their phones. It protects your personal data and keeps your apps secure, which is awesome in today's connected world. Video game emoji, bonus for gamers and streamers. Smooth motion handling for fast-paced content. Low input lag for casual gaming. Great color and contrast balance for cinematic viewing. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict, is the Samsung U8000F worth it? For a 58-inch 4K smart TV in 2025, the Samsung U8000F offers a ton of value. Between the stunning design, crisp picture quality, smart features, and robust security, it's perfect for family rooms, bedrooms, or even a budget-friendly home theater setup.